Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha coming at you with another video. For today's haul, we are going to be jumping into Ritera, so I'm really excited. So without further ado, grab yourself a drink, a snack, come on back, and let's see what is poppin' in today's haul. Hey guys, it is your girl interrupting today's video to bring you a word from Tidelocker. If you know, you know, they are one of my all-time favorite places to get quiet luxury. And today I have two Prada pieces to share with you, so let's jump into it. So first thing is first, it does come in this nice little gift-giving box. You're getting the whole experience. And then opening her up, I've actually already opened this one and removed all of the protectant and whatnot. And so I just got this long Prada wallet. Beautiful, beautiful stitching. The zipper quality is fantastic, guys. Nothing cheap about these. All right. So opening her up, you get a ton of room for cards on both sides. You're getting two different spots. Spot to put some cash here, paperwork, whatever you want to store in here. And then all of this room here, as well as on the other side. You've also got a nice zippered compartment here. If you want to put your coins and some other stuff in. You've got even more room here, plus room for cards, and more room here and more room here. So pretty nice and roomy wallet. I absolutely love these long wallets. And then if you look at the sides here, I mean, you're gonna be able to stuff this bad boy. So really like this. It's got a nice, beautiful leather smell. They're also gonna get some paperwork and your card of authenticity. So this is the bag that I picked out. It also comes in the same type of box. You do get a pretty decent dust bag with the bag as well. And I love these kind that just pull. They're easy to use and easy to close. So this is the bag that I went with. It matches the wallet perfectly. Here's what it looks like on the side. It's a nice soft leather. Beautiful stitching. The hardware is a nice pretty silver, which is actually my fave. So you do get a magnetic pocket back here that's pretty roomy. We love that. This is also fully magnetic. And I love that about it. It's nice and roomy on the inside. You do get two different straps with this bag. And one of the pull tabs, I actually left the product that comes around it on there to show you guys what your hardware will come like. That way it doesn't get scuffed, scratched, anything like that. So looking down in here, you're gonna see some tags. You will get some paperwork and information, tags, card of authenticity inside the bag as well. So very roomy in this bag. You could fit a small makeup bag in here, your cell phone. I'm just gonna kind of give you guys some ideas of some things sitting on my table right now, plus the wallet. So, I mean, to me, this would be like a great work bag. If you're a student and you don't need to carry a lot, a nice bag for date night and things like that. This is my favorite strap. It is adjustable, and on the one side here, it does say the brand name. Again, you've got beautiful silver hardware, which also has the brand name. This is nice and heavy duty. This is not that cheap stuff that's going to, you're going to be able to scratch it and there's plastic underneath. This is actual hardware, guys. This is what it looks like with this strap. I think this is so cute. It also kind of gives like a sporty vibe to it. Don't mind the hair. Your girl is chilling. So this is that bag on the shoulder, and it is fully adjusted all the way as far as it'll go. Now keep in mind, I am plus size, but if I'm out by myself, I do want my bag all the way in the front, up this close to me, so that I can just kind of, you know, keep an eye on it. I almost forgot to show you guys, here's the bottom of the bag. This one actually matches the bag perfectly. It's silver hardware. It is fully adjustable, and you've got quite a few holes there. How this one goes on the bag is that you just pull these up, and you're going to take it off of here, and you're just going to slide it through the D-ring. And you latch it on your hardware like so. And that's what it looks like on the side. So this is how she looks with the black strap. I love that this came with both in case I wanted to, you know, wear this as more of an evening bag, more business style. Whereas to me, the other strap is more, you know, youthful, sporty kind of vibes. So I do have this all the way on the last hole, and it's about at the same spot as the other strap. So on me, if I wanted to go a longer crossbody, I would have to just use another strap that I have on hand or order another one, which is fine, because this is more of a shoulder style bag to me anyways. So I really, really love these two pieces together. I think that they're both absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, it's a nice little set. And I highly, highly encourage you guys to check them out. They have more colors of this bag. It was very hard for me to pick what color I wanted. I almost went with a different color. Anyways, guys, these will be linked down below in the description box along with a discount code. If you want to check out Tidelocker, I want to thank my friends over at Tidelocker once again for partnering with me on today's video and sending over these beautiful, quiet luxury goods onto the video, y'all. Okay, girls, so it has been a very long time, I'm pretty sure, since my last Ritera haul. So for those of you that are new and have never heard of it, you have no idea what I'm talking about, Ritera is a plus-size fashion brand that encourages women with the pieces that they bring to the table to have more self-confidence, to empower themselves, and to feel, you know, true love for the body and the skin that they're in. I think that you will see that with the pieces that I selected to share with you today. Now, we are getting around that time of year where it's wedding season, it's dress season. You need a dress for all occasions. And you guys know I love to bring you tons of dresses. We are partnering with each other on this video, which means they sent the clothes over and I'm gonna give you my honest review. For those of you who are new to my channel, hey girl! My name is Tasha. Everybody calls me Tosh. I am predominantly a US plus size 3X. Before we jump into this first piece, I also want to mention and thank Ritera for giving you guys 40% off your total purchase. So if you see a dress or two that you want to check out today, if you see something else on their website, you are going to get 40% off your entire purchase. The code will be right here on your screen as well as in the description box. This dress right here is, of course, Ritera. It is a 3X. Now, this one is poly and spandex. So girl, she's really soft, really stretchy. This is the kind of poly that I don't typically mind because it's soft and it's got some stretch. All right. So you have a little elastic waistband here right at the under the bust. You've got a couple buttons. These are fully functional in case you need a little bit more room. And it is stretchy throughout the entire dress. This one does have a print to it, and there's a little ruffle down there at the bottom. That is what the inside looks like. Y'all know I rock the shorts just in case. Love the length on this one. It's hitting me right below the knee. And again, for those of you who are new to my channel, I am 5'2¼ I'm short. So here's what she looks like to the side. I like because it's so busy, it kind of helps hide the belly a little bit. Easy on, over the head. So here are the true colors. This is really, really pretty, especially for spring and summer, in my opinion. And again, fully functional buttons. Guys, we've also got pockets in all of these dresses today, so we love that. All right, y'all, so this one is so pretty. Let's ignore my pink glasses. Let's focus on this dress. First of all, beautiful shade of green. If I forgot to mention, all of these are a 3X, okay? Polyester and spandex. This is really, really soft. It's got this gorgeous mesh lace overlay. And then underneath, like this satiny kind of lighter green yellow. Love this. This is an easy pull over the head. Again, we have pockets and we have lots of stretch. So yeah, we've got this beautiful cinched bust, which you just, when you get it, you're just gonna put it on and then you're gonna pull these as tight as you want and then tie it in place and you're good to go. Love that you can either rock it this way on the shoulder, just barely on the shoulder, or you can rock it off the shoulder. Whatever you want to do, whatever kind of vibe whatever kind of vibe you're going for, whether you're going for, you know, a little innocence or whatever, or here you go, little sex appeal. Whichever you're going for, girl, do you. I love the length of this one as well. It's hitting me right, I mean, right at my knees, guys. If you are like me and you want to rock this as a dress, here you go, girl. Get you some bike shorts. I don't have bike shorts on right now. I just have my regular, y'all know me. Because all it's going to take, whoop, and everybody's going to see your goodies. So make sure you got you some bike shorts on. I will link my favorite pair below. Or you could do some shaping shorts if you wanted to. It's just going to lock everything in. And you're going to be able to pull them up a little bit higher. Most bike shorts are like Bermuda style. If you want to rock this with leggings, you could do that too. Rock it as a long tunic dress. Don't be afraid to express yourself the way that you want to. If I want to rock this with leggings, I'm going to rock it with leggings. And girl, it's going to be cute, okay? Again, tons of stretch. So if you're broader shouldered up here, girls, we got you covered. All right, there's the elastic here in the shoulder area. You've also got these beautiful lace mesh kind of style balloon sleeves. Tons of stretch right here. If you're someone like me that gets hot, here you go. Boom. There is nothing but stretch throughout this dress. You could pair this with a belt, give yourself more of a shape. Did I mention the pockets? I got interrupted by the dog, so I apologize. Here she is in the back. If you see black back there, it's my bra for YouTube, of course. And so coming up close, this is like the lacy mesh vibe. I think this is really pretty. I think this could be worn on so many different occasions, whether you want to go casual with it or dress it up. This is a one of a kind, in my opinion. All right, ladies and gents, I would say this is my favorite piece from them to date, and in this haul. So first things first, we have poly, spandex, and nylon. This one also cinches in on the sides. In my opinion, the reason they did that was to give you a better fit here, as well as here. This right here, the necktie helps keep this up so you're not going to have back fat slippage. This dress is too cute, okay? This part of it is very well made, and it's just gorgeous, you guys. Just gorgeous. Of course, we have nice, deep, roomy pockets, which we love. Love the colors. I love everything about this. This piece here is nice and soft. It's very stretchy. Obviously, I don't want to pull too much on it because I'm cinched in on the sides and tied around the neck. I don't want to choke myself. All right, so we do have a nice piece of elastic here at the waist. This one's very easy to put on, ladies. You can either step into this one and adjust it accordingly, or you can put it on right over the head. Here she is to the side. Here is the back. I love this dress. I absolutely love this. Let's show you guys some length, because for me, it's hitting the floor just a little bit, but this is also that perfect, you know, if you're going to a summer wedding, wedding guest dress, rock it with a good pair of wedges, girl. Vacation, all of that. So before we get into the length and everything, here is what it looks like cinched on the side. Ladies, you can pull this as tight as you want or as loose. I don't really know how to explain to you how I did mine. I just feel comfortable. So from the waist down is the skirt piece, and you guys can see it's hitting the floor just barely, but I can still move freely, and I'm just wearing slippers. But yeah, I would rock this with either a really cute pair of wedges. It don't have to be nothing super high, girl. Or you could wear a pair of the Hermes dupes. I mean, that's got a slight heel on it, so I think if you're my height, of course, or taller, you'll be good.
I feel it in my veins, masking all this pain, been searching high and low, with nowhere else to go. I used to
then here's the true colors on that skirt part. It's very much giving my grandma's prettiest quilt, but I really like it. So I'm not gonna go too far into this one. I mean, it's literally the same dress I tried on in the beginning of the video. It's just a different color. So exact same everything, just a different color. And I didn't even realize I picked it out, but you can never have too many black dresses or too many little black dresses, okay? So same material, again, nice, stretchy, and roomy. You've got that little ruffle at the bottom, the couple of buttons in the bust area. You can adjust these accordingly. It's nice and stretchy here in the arms. So if you're, you know, got big arms like your girl, you're good. It's not gonna be too tight. We've got a little elastic band here that is nice and stretchy. And then, did I already say pockets, girls? Yeah, pockets. Not sure how many colors of these they have available, but of course it will be linked below. And again, you are gonna save 40% off your entire purchase. And you guys know that I have hauled their clothes in the past. I've always liked their clothes, but there's something different about this haul. I'm feeling like they have maybe stepped it up. They're a little bit better quality, and I don't think their clothes were bad before, obviously, or I wouldn't have kept hauling them, but these to me feel higher quality. I really like everything that I tried on today. I feel like with their motto and, you know, being about plus size women and them having confidence in themselves, loving themselves in their skin, I feel like each of these pieces really represents that, the way that it lays on the plus size body. And I don't feel like it's hugging any particular area where we're gonna feel insecure. So hopefully you guys got that from this haul today too, because I definitely did. And of course, I want to thank Ritera once again for sending over these adorable dresses for me to try on for you today. Of course, I want to know what your favorite piece was. Hope you are all staying safe out there. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.